So this video is going to show you how to install the Android Studio. Just search the Android Studio in the browser, and then you're able to see the developer Android Studio website, and then you can click the download Android Studio and SDK tool. So go to the download option, and then you should select the option that is suitable for you, which I am going to select the Windows 64-bit because my Windows is in 64-bit. If you're not sure, you can check inside your disk PC. Go to the disk PC, and then you can right click on it, select the property option. As the shifter information, you can able to see the window is in the 64-bit or 32-bit. So for my case, it's 64-bit, so I'm going to select the 64-bit option. Just click it and download. Accept the term and condition, and then download it. After finish downloads, you just double click the installer. So you can start the installation by click the next button, and then select both of the component, Android Studio and also the Android virtual device. Then click next, and then Android Studio asks us which location we want to install. So it's fine for me to install the Android Studio in the program file, and then I click next. And then the submenu folder, I just click install. Next, we just waiting the installation process finish. After complete, I will click next, and then I will click finish. So Android Studio will ask you to import the setting or not. So this is a fresh install, so we don't have any setting to import. If you have the different version, the previous version of the Android Studio, maybe you can select the setting from the previous version. For the time being, I'm just click OK. So this is your welcome page if you install the Android Studio. I will click next, and then what kind of setup we want to use. For this, I will choose the standard one, and then I'm going to have this theme, IntelliJ, or you prefer the darker theme, then you can select the Sakura. So next Android Studio will ask you to install the SDK, so you can accept all the basic SDK component to download it. So just click finish, and then make all the component finish downloading. It's going to take you a while. I'm going to push the video here first. So after finish running, just click the finish button to finish the installation. So you can try to run the Android Studio to see any problem during the installation or not. So we can try to create a new Android Studio project, and then I will just click next, next, next. So Android Studio is downloading something also. So I'm going to pause the video for a while. So if the firewall just warning something for you, you just allow the access. So this is after finish loading. Wait. The Android Studio gives you an error message about the failed to find build 2 revision 27. Basically, it's because you didn't download this build 2 version. So just click this one and download the build 2 and finish the process. Then you'll be fine. After download and finish the installation of the request component, just click the finish button, and then wait for the Android Studio finish running all the process. Okay, that seems your Android Studio is fine. So we can pause the video to try to run a Hello World project inside the emulator or the Android devices. Thank you very much.